Welcome back to Brotuned, guys. As we saw last week, the Eley Match killed it in this rifle. It's a CZ457 with the IBI barrel. So we're going to check out Eley Team, see if this stuff compete with the Match. Not sure if it will. Let's find out together. 10 foulers, 4 5-shot groups, and the 5th group's going to be a 10-shot. All the data is recorded here, and I'll display it at the end of the video. Let's get to shooting. There's our 10 foulers. I'm going to move my groups to the right just a little bit, maybe a tenth for the first group. First group of 5. We had one fall low, not sure why, but so far it's not as good as the Match, but it's looking pretty good so far. So group number 2. There we go. That's match quality right there. All in the same hole. Group number 3. Not bad. Probably about half-inch group there. Group number 4. Not very nice. Now, last group, or 10-shot group, number 5. Well guys, there you have it. Eley Team, for me, same price as Eley Match. Eley Match is a little better. This stuff's still very, very, very good. So all this data will be up now. Thanks for watching this week's video, and we'll see you next week. Take care, guys.